This is how to use the YouTools software. Once you click on it to open, now you use this to actually promote your YouTube videos to gain more views. You just cancel this, and then when the first one is rank, the second one is tag extractor, the third one is trending videos, the fourth one is keyword suggestion, then the fifth one is AI content generator, and then we have grow your channel. These two is not among, this is just the five that works. So now for you to get keyword suggestion, when you click on keyword suggestion, this is this keyword now is high ranking keyword that makes your video to rank high on YouTube. Now you're gonna input your keyword. Let's say for example, I'm posting a content about African folks content. Now for me to get the rightful keyword, I'll just type African folks. Then if I want to choose a country, this is optional. If you want to search for a specific country, you can just click here and then pick a specific country. If you are not seeing your country, just search for Nigeria or any country you want to be specific about. But since I'm not picking any country, I'll just leave it. It is best you leave it. Then you just click on search, and then as you can see, it has given you the best results, which is this one now. So right now, this is the result it gives us. These are videos that are using the same African folks. These are videos that are using the same. All these videos are from YouTube. So right now, it is now suggesting mysterious secret of African folks. This is a title this too is suggesting for us, and here are keywords we can use that will rank. This is keyword, different keywords you can use that will rank on YouTube. Now these keywords now are what you are going to put on your tag, where you have your video tags. So once you click on copy, it is going to copy all these keywords. So once it's copied, you can easily paste it on your YouTube videos that you want to publish. So you can, now what this simply mean, it has low competition, search volume is low. So this one now has low competition, the search volume is low, giving it more chances to rank. So you can see other names is suggesting for you to name that very video, since it's African folks content. So when you come over here where you see other, this one is trending video, it's going to get you trending videos that is trending. So you can just choose Nigeria. If you need a trending videos from Nigeria and you want to create content, then when you click Nigeria, it's going to bring you the trending content in Nigeria. Like this movie now is one of the trending movies in Nigeria currently on YouTube, which is having 1.8 million views. You can see 32K likes, 34K comments, 3,000 plus comments. So here are other content that are trending currently in Nigeria. So you can pick ideas from this and create content from. That's what it simply means. That's showing you the trending content and topic. This one here is AI generating for you to generate your content. But I don't know, create a video about pets. Let me see. So you search. So this one now is not working, but the rank checker, for you to check a video that ranks, you paste your video link. When you paste your video link, you're going to insert keywords here that you want when people search on YouTube, you should bring your video. So once you paste it, if you have a specific country, you can put it, then you click on find rank. When you click on find rank, it's going to give you the best solution you that will make your channel go top on YouTube. That will be, it gives you 90% of your channel going viral. This is tag extractor. Now you paste any video link right here. When you paste a video link here and then you click on go, it's going to extract all the tags on that video. Now how do you do this? You locate a video that is doing well. Let me open YouTube from here. You locate any video that is doing drastically well. For example, let me pick any random video. I'll just pick this very video, share, copy, and then I'll head over to my YT2, paste it right here, and then hit the go option. So you can see now this video does not have tag. This video don't have any tags. If at all this they use tags on this video, it's going to show you all the tags on the video. So once it show you all the tags, you can easily copy them and use on your own video. Or you want to download the thumbnail, once you click here, get video details, you click here, it's going to download the thumbnail for you. Here is the title and description, but what you need here is a tag for a video that is doing well in your niche. So this is what these tools work. It's really useful, very very helpful as a content creator. Then you can see this is a pro version which you are not paying for again. You can see it is active. So this is a pro version which you are not going to pay for again. So guys, if you need this app, kindly send a DM. I'm giving it out for just 1k because I'm on promo currently. Check the comment section and get the and send me a DM on WhatsApp.